What's going on, guys? Today you are looking at Chef Boyar crab. I'm going to cook up something special for us tonight, this evening. My Beanie Weenies. Now this is like a bachelor Beanie Weenie batch. Basically, you get beans, you get weenies, some bacon, onions, brown sugar, and pretty much all kinds of stuff that's in the cabinet, all kinds of different spices and stuff. So it's something I've been doing ever since I was so high, you know, and it always seems to turn out really good. It's never the same. So if you want a good Beanie Weenie recipe, check this out. I know you're going to enjoy it. Let's get to cooking. So the pan is starting to warm up. Let me show you what kind of bacon I got. I got the Smithfield thick cut applewood smoked bacon. Why did I pick it? I don't know. It looked really good. So I was like, okay, that's going to be the bacon. All right. How much am I going to cook? I don't know. I'm just going to throw enough bacon in there to make me happy. Oh yeah, listen to that sizzle. I love me some bacon. So while that bacon's cooking, I'm gonna get my onion and I'm gonna cut it up in nice little onion bits so I can caramelize it so I can add it to the Beanie Weenies. So I've got the bacon almost done. I've got the onions cut up. I'm going to throw them in there with these last pieces of bacon and let it, cook. The boys come in from work, say, hey guys.
Smells good. Hello.
Yeah. So, yeah. So they came in a little early because I ain't ready yet. So, let's throw in this onion. Try to get this meal done as fast as possible.
That's right, Chef.
Chef what?
Lose the shot.
Gonna lose the shot. Yeah, that's right.
Are you going to eat?
Huh?
Eat?
Nope. Beanie Weenies.
Cool.
So after these onions are done, I'm going to start cooking the hot dogs. I cut them up after they're cooked in the little pan there. And then once everything gets chopped up and looking good, I start adding the beans and then the spices. So the hot dogs are done. Now I'm gonna add beans and brown sugar and whatever other stuff I can put in. So check it out. So what were you saying? Do me a favor, can you open up these cans? So what about, how are you taking them?
I checked it with my
Okay.
but I'm worried that
Oh, what, you gonna let them go in the pond?
Might be able to let them go in the pond. It'll be about a year and a half until they get too big. But I mean, they'll be big enough where you might not.
Alright, so what you gotta do is you gotta drain the fluids out of it. So that's another thing you gotta do, guys. You gotta drain the fluid out of the beans because you don't want too much fluid. I'm gonna scrape the stuff out of this pan. Charles, buddy, can you, when you get those beans like emptied, can you put them in this frying pan?
Yeah.
Cool. Alright guys, you want a little bit of grease in the bottom of this pan because you don't want the beans to stick. And can you do me a favor and stir them up too, buddy?
Absolutely. Yeah, keep them stirred.
Keep them stirred.
You just want the top layer of juice off, right? Or at least
As much as you can.
as much as we can.
Yep. So Charles is giving me a hand, dumping the beans in. I have to turn it down a little bit.
Yeah, wasn't sure which eye you had on.
Yeah. Dang it. This thing's gonna be full.
Yeah, do you want? I opened 3.
Yeah,
Okay.
throw the other one in there.
Alright. Can't hurt.
Well, maybe. That's a lot of beans.
Good thing. Good thing. We're not gonna go sit in a room with a bunch of microphones or anything.
Oh
afterwards.
Yeah. Oh yeah. All right, that's good, buddy.
Alright.
All right. Yep. Now, guys, I'm gonna add these. Man, I need some help.
What's up? Oh yeah. Here, I'll drop them in there for you. If you want to pull
I'm
them in
gonna
with the
pull them
spoon.
in with the spoon.
Yeah. Charles with the assist.
Yep.
Oh man, those caramelized onions look great.
Oh yeah. All of a sudden, I'm thinking I don't have enough onions. All right.
Ooh, yeah, that is true.
So, man, this thing is full. Alright, I'm gonna need the bacon bits in here too. I'm starting to wonder if I need to just add the bacon afterwards. You know what? I'll add the bacon afterwards. It is so full. So what you gotta do is you gotta keep this stirred up. And you want it to get bubbling up. Oh yeah. Speaking of bubbling up, I need some brown sugar.
Oh.
I think I'm gonna have to take some of this out.
We have some pans.
You know what? I'm gonna get a bowl and I'm gonna take some out.
Twice.
Well,
Do 2 rounds.
just skip some out. A bunch.
Oh yeah.
Alright, that'll do. Alright, now.
Gotta level this bag out.
Yep. So we gotta add the brown sugar. Oh, sugar.
I think I know the words, but
I
I'm
ain't
not.
got no honey. No honey. Not yet. Even though the last date wasn't a date.
I know, that was
Which is,
that was some crap. But
oh yeah, well, it'll be fine. I mean, it was a nice girl. She's a very nice girl. And just her definition of a date is a little different than mine. And that's okay. You add a lot of brown sugar. That ought to do. Can you seal it up for me, buddy?
yes. Now will this do for both batches? However, we
Yes.
need to add more.
All right.
Got sugar in the zipper.
Sorry.
That's it.
So guys, you got to stir this up good. Get that brown sugar in there. Another thing I'm going to add, with Charles's assistance, if he doesn't mind.
Nope.
Cool. Some mustard. Oh, this is good.
Okay.
So, yeah, there is no measurement to this. It's just add it. Oh, yeah.
Excuse you. I know that
Oh!
you haven't even eaten any
Sound,
beans yet.
sounded like this weekend after the bar. No. What? Well, it's
We've gotten into the beanies and weenies.
it's cooking with Chef Boyardee crap. I'm gonna turn this up because I'm not getting the boiling. You want to get some boiling going on here because you got
the bubblage.
you got to get rid of this fluid. So you cook out a lot of the moisture and it makes it thick. So we got the brown sugar, we got the mustard. You know what else we're going to use? Oatmeal cream pie. No, I'm kidding. Alright, oh, barbecue sauce. Can you open that up, please? You know, lots of times you can add just some ketchup to this, but I'm a big fan of barbecue.
Sweet Baby Ray's.
Yep. Hit me.
Not sponsored. Tell me when.
Come on, man. Be brave. That'll do, donkey. So everything is just a dash here and a splash there and a gob here. My Beanie Weenies are never the same, but they're always good.
Keeps the people guessing.
Unless you burn it. Then when you burn it, yeah, I mean it's easy to mess up a meal when you burn it. All right,
I know you burnt a little bit at Busco Beach, but it was still
Oh, yeah.
really good.
I'm gonna go ahead and add some bacon. Buddy, can you get me those spices in there?
All 14.
Open them up. And we're gonna just start adding some spices. What kind of spices do we have there? We got some salt and pepper,
We got season all,
season all,
onion and herb,
Pretty
cinnamon powder.
Oh, that
Salt
looks
and
pretty good, dude.
thank you.
So you're telling me we're gonna stuff 3 dudes in like a 10 by 15 room
Yep.
with door shut for an
Yeah.
hour and a
Well,
half?
the door's good.
Yeah.
Well, yeah. Is the camera rolling? Yes.
What could go wrong?
What could go wrong?
It's not like there's any, what is it, you know, microphones that pick up like every little sound in the room.
Did you say you made too much bacon?
No,
did.
I did.
Did you eat the rest of it?
I mean, I ate two
There's those
two
pieces, but unless.
What, you want another piece?
No.
Okay.
Uh,
Alright,
Carl.
look. I got the bubbling going. That's what you want. That's what you want. Now, I'm going to throw in some of this Mrs. Dash. I'm going to go and.
Should I see if we have any graham crackers to sprinkle in there?
No! I'd be ruining it. Alright, Mrs. Dash, what else we got? We got some salt and pepper here.
Adult
They're right there,
multivitamin gummies.
Yep, add them.
Hershey's
No.
Cocoa Special Dark.
So we got a little bit of salt here. We got a lot of pepper going in here. Oh yeah, the cinnamon. Now, why did I start adding cinnamon? I don't know. But you know what? It works.
There's
So, got some cinnamon here. I don't know why, man. I don't know why.
It works?
I don't know why, man. Got some Oh, seasonal.
Why is there some without?
Oh,
Holy
yeah.
Toledo.
What?
Yeah, man.
What?
Why is there?
We have too much.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
look how full it is.
Yeah, it's very full.
So we're gonna mix it eventually.
What? No, I'm gonna cook that up separate.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so there's gonna be 2
That's right.
batches, and it'd be funny to do a taste test of both batches
Because they're gonna be a little.
because they're gonna be different.
Yeah.
The top of my oven has splatter paint on it.
Yeah, I know. It's that grease, man.
Yeah, I'm
Alright.
surprised that we might need to build you a splash shield back here.
With the plasma table.
So what? How much time?
Yeah, man.
All right, y'all go ahead. I'll do this, and maybe by the time y'all are done, the beans will be done. So, pour this out, guys. So this is batch number 2, but John here has got a bowl of my Beanie Weenies.
Batch number 1.
Batch number 1.
It smells good. It smells sweet.
Yep. It's a little sweeter than I like. I added a little bit more brown sugar than normal.
It's like, you really smell the barbecue sauce too.
Yep. Be brutally honest.
It's good, man.
Brutally honest, man.
It's really saucy,
Yes, it is. This next batch won't be as saucy.
but it's good.
I like it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it going to give you like diabetes or anything?
Diabetes.
I don't think so.
Diabetes.
I don't see why. It would.
Okay.
But yeah, the weenies are good. The beanies are good. I mean, you know.
Sauteed onions.
Yeah, I don't really taste the onions to be honest with you.
I should have added a little bit more onion.
I agree. It's a little on the
But
sweet side.
Now, one thing's for sure, it's not overpowering with the onions. So, all right. So, 2 thumbs up. I got 2 thumbs up and 1 thumbs up from Charles. It's all right.
Oh.
I
It's
think
all right.
the sweetness is a little much. I want to try that second batch.
Yeah. It won't be as sweet.
Couldn't give you 2 thumbs up because I was still eating.
All right. So not as much brown sugar on this one, I hope. Still added a lot. Yeah. You know, sometimes I get a little carried away.
I hear you.
Can't be helped. So that's the end of this segment. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you tell everybody or all your friends to subscribe. And if you hadn't subscribed, please subscribe. Help me get to that 100,000. That would be awesome. So if you want to see more cooking videos, let me know. It sure would help me out since
More cooking videos.
I can't even turn a wrench right now. So bon appetit, guys.
I love the cooking videos
Mmm,
because I get to eat at the end of them.
this is good. What do you think of the meat to bean ratio?
Oh, it's about perfect. Yeah, it is perfect.
Awesome.
I was pretty much getting a piece of bacon every spoonful.
Awesome. I like a good meat to bean ratio.
I hear you, man.
Hey, Chef Spud.
I'm afraid to ask.
Chef Spud would be proud.
Thank you.
What is bean code for?
Meat and beans!
Oh, okay. I just thought it was something else.
Not Franks and beans. That's totally different. Franks and
You're on the
beans.